Yeah, welcome to the chat. So today right here is Black Monday, and the reason why this is Black Monday technicals is because this is the day where technicals fail, technicals do not align, and the word black stands for what? It stands for failure. So right here today, most of the technicals we'll be analyzing, we'll be expecting them to fail. Nevertheless, we are going to be analyzing them. So right here on USD JPY, we can see on the 4 hour no technical is playing out, and right here on the 1 hour, let's check. On the 1 hour, you can see a weak sell pattern right here. Let's mark it. So right here we are going to expect a weak sell pattern at this resistance right here, so expect price to hit here and drop. However, this is still expected to fail. So right here on Euro USD on the 4 hour, no technical. Let's go to the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour we can see a weak buy pattern which price is actually respecting. So we are going to see how price plays out later. So on USD CHF, you can see right here on the 4 hour, you can see a buy pattern that has been invalidated right here. So you can see price retesting this zone, and we also expect it to fail. Let's just go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, no much of a pattern. However, this buy pattern is still being respected. So let's move to Euro JPY. Right here, no pattern on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we have a weak sell pattern that has been invalidated right here. See, price invalidated this sell pattern on Euro JPY. So right here on AUD USD, we can see this weak buy pattern on the H4 right here in this zone. So let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we can also still see this weak buy pattern, so we can see price respecting it. On AUD JPY, we can see no much of a pattern for the day, and we can see this weak sell pattern has been invalidated. So that's why it is tagged the what? That's why it is tagged Black Friday. So you can see it's invalidated. GBP USD, we can see a weak buy pattern on the 4 hour. So let's see how price behaves there. You can see it right here. And on the H1, you can see this weak buy pattern right here. On the H1. On USD card, you can see this sell pattern right here. So no pattern on the 1 hour, but we can see a weak sell pattern on the H4, and on gold you can see a weak sell pattern as well. And right here on the H1, what do you have on the H1? So silver, do this analysis on your own. For GJ, no pattern on the H1. On this, you can see this weak sell pattern here that has been invalidated. So let's see BTC USD. On BTC USD, you can see a buy pattern that is being respected. On DXY, you can see a sell pattern right here. So as always, plan your trade your plan, and most importantly, manage your risk and emotions. So that's all for that.